Hey. I call Babusia for and they have a shito unzi a co school, a confantaman girls and see here shito. So in this my authentic shito video, we will need some shrimp powder, fish powder, some tomatoes here. This one is like regular tin tomatoes, and then we will need some fennel seeds, some powdered peppers, some cubes, rosemary here, and some homemade beef spices. We will need some onions. As you can see, Shito with a dorsal. You know, see a lot of onions. You need some peppers, ginger and garlic, and then I have here some green peppers and some oil. Okay, family, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is our onions blended with oil here, and then here is how it looks like blended with oil. Okay, and then here is our pepper that we blended with oil. And this is our ginger, garlic, and some of our spices. Okay, so I'm going to add some oil here. Shito, you need a lot of oil because you're going to put a lot of oil on it to preserve it. So honey, you need a lot of oil. Okay guys, so we are going to add some salt to our shito. Add salt to the taste and preference that you want. I'll go ahead and add my completely homemade spices in here. Then I'll add some Maggi to it. I'm going to go ahead and add this 1 cube. I'll know if I want to add some later. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato paste in here. Oh, it's not coming. I had to change the pot because that pot was too small for my shito. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and add our shrimp powder, which is our monko powder, and then our fish powder, which is our amane powder, to our shito. Alright. shito is done. I let it cool for about 20 minutes. So look at this. Isn't this delicious? It looks so good. It tastes so yummy. You guys have to try this at home and let me know down the comment below what you think. This recipe is so good. I know you guys are going to love it. If you're a newcomer, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Yeah, babes. I've been wow. Sit on a bino, metal school for no school. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Thank you. Bye.